Hey, this is Mark Costello with the Costello Group, powered by Showstopper Realty. We're out here at our new listing in Aledo. We're at 189 McClendon Walker Road. So just south of Aledo, a few minutes from the high school, the middle school. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathrooms, just over 3,000 square foot. It sits on just over 5 acres, a nice square lot where you can do anything. We have road frontage on 2 sides and a 30 by 60 shop as well. Also has a running creek through the back with wildlife and deer that come to the property every day.
Come take a look at this one-owner, custom-designed home. There are only 8 Aledo homes available right now that have at least 5 acres, and most of them are double the price of 189 McClendon Walker. You have your choice of 3 gated entrances to the property, including a truck entrance for your heavy equipment, RV, or stock trailers. Upon entering, you will be welcomed by 13-foot trade ceilings, wall molding, crown molding, beautiful hand-scraped hardwood flooring, and the southern exposure on this north-facing home will allow natural light to flood through the home, especially the living room, kitchen, and master suite. This oversized master retreat has been designed for a king and a queen. This is the size master suite that you find in homes twice the price. Enjoy morning sunrises and evening sunsets from your bedroom or access your covered patio directly from the master. Relax on the covered patio or move over to the private stone patio tucked under mature trees. 189 McClendon Walker provides tranquility and serenity, which is evident by the running creek that brings out all the wildlife. The deer will be sure to visit you each day, as they have visited this owner for the past 22 years. Each additional bedroom has its own en-suite bathroom, in essence making 3 master bedrooms in this home. Your children or your guests will appreciate the privacy of these custom features that are not found anywhere else at this price point. 189 McClendon Walker is such a unique home, ready for anyone's needs. The 60 by 30 shop is the icing on the cake, completely wired for any job or your RV. Don't miss your chance to join an unbelievable community just minutes from downtown Fort Worth. 189 McClendon Walker will be the perfect home and retreat for you and your family.